Okay, tell me what the problem is.
The second bird in our house.
Oh, he's sitting right there. He's perched.
If he flies,
He's in the laundry room now.
Freak out.
Oh, there he goes! Taylor, don't close the door on him. Let him out. Okay. Just shoo him this way.
Where'd he go?
He's sitting right there on top of the washer. On my clothes. Shoo him this way. Okay, he's not gonna come when you call him. Caw. Here, you get back there so he doesn't fly past that door.
No, you get back there.
Well, move, and I will.
You underneath the wash?
Okay, move, and I will.
I got it.
He's underneath the washer. He's got to get out.
No, he's not coming out.
Bang on the washer.
I just did.
Oh, you hit it with a pillow.
Probably just killed it.
Oh my gosh, move. Move.
You move.
Move. Move.
Hold on. Is there something I can wear in here?
What? We're not looking for something to wear. We've got to get the bird out.
I need something to wear for today.
You sure he went underneath there?
Yes.
Well, crap.
I told you to get a broom.
What are we going to do with a broom if he's underneath here?
A hanger. Wring his neck. Haha.
Whatever. Here, see if you can get him.
I'm gonna freak out if he flies over here, though.
We need to get a broom and put it behind there.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
This is your job.